Hey guys, so today we're going to be checking out some makeup hacks that are going to change your life. So the first one we're going to be checking out is a hair hack, and they are trying to add some volume to the hair, so let's see what they're doing. Now, that looks absolutely brilliant. What I like about it is the amount of volume that it can actually give to the hair regardless of your haircut. So I'm thinking more if you have a fringe, you're going to have like such a beautiful fluffy hair like what she actually has. Also, what I appreciate about this is that it can work on literally any hair length provided that you have a center part and that you are able to curl it up. And the amount of volume that it gives, I think that's going to differ from person to person, but I'm in for it. The next one that we have right here, she is moussing up her hair. And she's crunching it up. I think she is creating some curls. If I'm not mistaken, that's actually called a diffuser that you actually use before your hair. Wow. The problem with curly hair is that you need too much of products. Right here we have a simple updo that I'm loving the curls. I'm absolutely loving the curls. Sometimes we pay hairdressers so much when we can actually create these hairstyles by looking at TikTok videos. Like, look at how brilliant this actually is. And you can see it's messy, but you can create something. So there's no such thing as like hitting a miss. For anyone. Wow. See how simple it actually is, but we pay so much for hairstyles like this. You can just have like a few roses and just put that in there. You can tuck some roses, any type of flowers in, whatever is your favorite flower, you can just tuck that in. Right here we have somebody who's showing us how to create a ponytail. Are you that old that you still don't know how to create the perfect ponytail? Because that's me. So in order to create one ponytail, you have to create two ponytails. So she took the ponytail from the bottom and put it on the top. Guys, we need to try out these hacks. So we really need to try them out. Oh my god. March, April, May. Am I the only person that when you go to wash your hair, you look so amazing? Like you can do literally any hairstyle with your hair. But the time that when you actually feel like you want to do a hairstyle, your hair just acts up. Am I the only person that this actually happens to? Let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, so she's showing us how she used to create a regular hairstyle, but I'm thinking we are doing this wrong. Wow. How old were you when you realized you used a chocolate wrong? Right here we have somebody who is doing a messy bun. You see, that will never in my life work for me. Never ever. My hair just never sits like all these girls right here. My hair just literally never sets like all these girls on TikTok. Not sometimes, every time I go onto TikTok, my confidence level goes, am I the only one? I think this is heartbreaking because I just can't get the perfect bun, I can't get the perfect curls, I can't get the perfect hairstyle. Every time you go, just go and see my TikTok, guys. I'm out here embarrassing myself on TikTok because I never look that perfect. Okay, so this I actually attempted, so I know exactly what she's trying to do. She's trying to create heatless curls with a rope belt. This works. It looks absolutely perfect because your hair is actually being pulled, and make sure it's a little bit damp. I'm not sure if she said that in the video. You need to make sure that it's a little bit damp. I sleep with it. is she bending, guys? Look at how perfect it actually looks. So if you don't have a hair iron, if you don't have a hair curler, this is perfect for you guys. So up next we have a hair hack. She claims it's life-changing, so let's see. So what happens is that with the boiling water, it regains its elasticity, allowing you to use it all over again. But I feel the strength is what actually deteriorates, so don't claim me on that one, but I think so. Right here we have somebody who's trying to create, I'm thinking, a bun. Oh no, it's a ponytail. Wow, she looks absolutely stunning. So right here we have somebody who's teaching us how to create a messy bun. I've seen this trending all over TikTok and I was going to try it, but then I don't know what happened. Wow, look at how simple it actually makes it look. Okay, so right here we have the same girl who is showing us how to create a curl. Wow. And then why haven't I tried this? Look at how stunning it actually looks. I think it's the same girl from the previous video. Okay, so she's unwrapping her curls that she actually did the night before, or whenever she actually did it. This was actually the one that I was telling you guys about. Look at how perfect it actually turns out. So right here we have somebody who's teaching us some curly hair hacks. Let's see what you gotta offer us. What is a CGM towel, guys? Re-wet your hair, okay, we feel ya. Use a leave-in and gel. Leave-in, I'm thinking, is some conditioner. I'm not sure about that. A lot of girls claim that conditioner actually works wonders when they try it out. I've never in my life tried to use a diffuser. Every blow dry that I bought came with a diffuser, but I never actually put it to use. Look at how amazing those curls actually look. Just so beautiful. Girls like that are so lucky when they have like so curly hair. Okay, well I think it's not actually lucky because they use a lot of product. It's very, very high maintenance. Okay, so I want to know what you actually want to do. You did not tell us. What is she doing? So I think she's trying to create a curl with using the curler, but not actually using the curler, but like using it. If you guys get what I actually mean, because her explaining is literally not the best. So without a doubt, it actually looks beautiful, but I think her explaining was just not on point. But anyway guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing YouTube video. I'm out, guys.